Alright, so today I'm going to try and make a knot out of steel, so let's crack on with it. So to me, a knot sort of involves the main principles of blacksmithing for me, is it's all about flowing and moving material to where you want it to be, whereas a lot of other crafts like woodworking and engineering, for example, you're often removing material to get the form you want, whereas to make a knot, or generally in blacksmithing, a lot of the time what we do is move material to where we want it to be rather than remove material. That's something that I really like. So anyway, I'm babbling on, so let's get on with it. I'm just going to tape the end of this bar, so then I don't have a loose thread, I can wrap it up, which I think will look better. So here's the finished knot. It's pretty simple. This could just be put on the end of, a fire poker or kebab skewer or curtain pole finial, whatever you want. It's easier to do in these smaller size stocks. This is only 8mm round. Once you get up to sort of 16mm, it begins to get harder, and because it's so big, you're having to heat up a larger volume, and it's just much harder to work. But in these smaller volumes and sizes, it's much easier. And it's pretty neat, that finished little knot. I really like them. It's a nice flowing form. They're relatively easy to do, just take a bit of time just to tap them around. So yeah, thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.